वेलकम। पहचाना नहीं तो अब पहचान लो भैया। सट करके सॉन्ग है, but talking about one lady who's definitely sat, I think as hot as lightning when it strikes is of course Rani Mukherjee. And when she starts to talk, भैया सारे गांव वाले बिल्कुल इकट्ठा होकर सुनने लगते हैं, क्योंकि बिल्कुल लाइटनिंग की तरह बिजली जिसे कहते हैं हमारा लैंग्वेज है। देखो लैंग्वेज का कितना फर्क होता है। And of course now is Rani Mukherjee and she is in the mood to talk.
I know that the last time I met you, I had asked you, Rani, why are you restricting yourself to Yash Raj films?
Right.
And you had said कि Yash Raj is like a home to me.
Yeah.
अब मेरे घर वाले मेरे लिए films बना रहे हैं, तो मैं बाहर जाके काम क्यों ढूंढूं? Right?
No, that's not exactly the point.
Do you feel that way now?
No, what I must have said is that Yash Raj Films is like a home production for me now, because I'm really comfortable working in that production. I've done 12 or 13 films with them, and it's a very comfortable atmosphere. And obviously when they offer me films which are heroine centric, or when there are films which are where the girl's role is so pivotal, it's very interesting for me to do a film like that, because normally people don't make films which are heroine centric. And if I'm getting like such great roles in Yash Raj, why should I do films outside when they are not offering me?
But you do realize that there is a general impression in the industry itself that you're really not keen to work outside the Yash Raj.
I think that's ridiculous, because I think people are there to just make assumptions. Tomorrow I sign a film with an outside banner and this whole assumption will come crashing down.
Who are the actors who you've worked with whom you had the best time?
I think nobody can replace Shah Rukh, because he's just a lot of fun to work with. Amir I've worked with in a lot of movies, but have done very less work with him. But he's a lot of fun because I know him really well. Then Sev's also fun to work with. He keeps you entertained all the time. He cracks some funny jokes here and there, and he's really funny. And Shahid was a lot of fun recently.
Something seems to have changed in a small way in the industry in the past 2 years. Of course, right now we still have our heroes acting with heroines who are 20 years and even 30 years younger than they. But we are seeing also a change.
There will be a change, because I'll be working with Shah Rukh's son.
But as his mother?
I can't go, no.
As his girlfriend?
As his girlfriend.
You probably are currently his girlfriend.
I'll 100% work with him. And if Amir's son Junaid gets into movies, I'll be working opposite.
Are you dating him too?
Yes.
But yeah, something...
But Junaid is quite tall, he's much taller than me. So I don't think we'll make a bad pair.
There's a hint for producers and directors listening. But as I was saying, something has changed. Of course, we will not, I don't think we'll ever have heroines getting to act, to romance guys who are 20 years younger, at least on a regular basis, like the men do. But a 2-3 year difference between the hero and the heroine doesn't seem to be that much of an issue with directors anymore. In the past 2-3 years, we've seen that. Vidya and Shahid, Neil and Bipasha, Ranbir and Bipasha, you and Shahid. What's changed?
I don't know about the others, but I have not worked with any younger star.
Oh, you've not worked with any younger star?
I don't know about the others. I don't know about the others, but I haven't.
Let's ask Shahid how old he is.
अरे रानी जी, हम भी खड़े हैं, हमारे साथ भी वर्क कर लीजिएगा ना। Well, if